is really the best thing in the whole world. And the only thing that makes it better is cool food hacks. Because why not maximize the foodie goodness when you can? Hey, Thomas! Take a look at this! It's great, right? Yeah, it's great, but I'm trying to read. Well, hey! Look at this one! It's even better! Oh! Whatever. Huh. That fishing line gives me a great idea. He's not gonna know what hit him. And done! I tied the cup to the key using the fishing line. And now I'll just drop the key into the soda can. Time to start pouring the soda into the cup. Oh hey! Yeah, I'm just pouring some soda. I told you to stop bugging me! What? Hold on a second. What, Thomas? How did you make your cup float? Fine, I'll show you. I just hold it like this and start pouring. Oh, okay. Here I go! And then I just take my hand away. No! What the heck? It didn't float at all! There's actually a key to get it to work. See what I did there? Oh, ha ha! Real funny. Ouch! Oh my gosh, you're so funny. And clever. Well, I admit, I do have some tricks up my sleeve. For example, watch this. My thumb has been a little loose. Ta-da! But don't worry, I can put it back on, too. Oh! That is so amazing! Huh. It seems like those girls really like him. So, I guess that means if I learn magic, I'll be amazing, too. Okay. Looks like I have some Tic Tacs and a highlighter. I can definitely make this work. I've got my Tic Tacs and my highlighter ready to go. All I've gotta do is color in the clear container. I don't want to color the label, though. And I can't forget these corners. I'm ready to impress the girls. Hey! I've got something to show you! Take a look at my orange Tic Tacs. Except… just like that I can turn them white! Whoa! How did he do that? Killer magic trick! Oh, I mean, whatever, dude.
Hey there. I thought your magic trick was magnificent.
The magic worked.
Hi. Tic Tacs are my favorite.
Well, did you want some? I have a whole bunch right here. I love Oreos! Especially pulling them apart. Eating the cream first is the best way to eat them. And now we'll just put the cookies back cause I don't want them. Time for an Oreo! Hey! What the heck? There's no cream left on this! Thomas! What is this? Heh, too bad for you. You snooze, you lose. Oh my god, you're such a… ugh! At least I've still got my squishy marshmallows. Hey, that gives me an idea. Hey, dummy! Look what I can do with the power of my mind. My mind is so magnificent, I can make the cookie cream grow. How? How are you even doing that? I told you. You have to use the power of your mind. I mean, okay. I guess I can give it a try. Grow, cream! Get bigger so I can eat you! It's not working! Hello? You forgot to use your fingers like I showed you? Oh, right. Here I go again. Come on, Cookie. You can do it. Listen to my psychic powers! Oh! The cookie just crumbled! You smashed that cookie real good! Hey, look at this! It's just a marshmallow I used to fool you! Oh, well, aren't you Miss Clever? Whatever. can't believe they made such a dumb mistake! Aww. Looks like I'm out of chips too. You're out too, huh? Why don't you go get us some? What? Me? Why not you? Yeah, no way. I'm staying right here. Hey! Let's just flip a coin instead. That's fair. Okay, you pick heads or tails and I'll flip it. It's spinning forever. Which way is it gonna land? What the heck? Are you kidding me? How is that even possible? Guess we both have to go. Hey! One bag is big and one bag is little! The big one's mine! Got it! Here, you can have the tiny bag. Come on! You have to share! Too bad you're too short and too slow to reach it. I'm going back to the movie. He's always so mean. You know what? He needs to be taught a lesson. Again. Okay, I'll spread this tortilla out on parchment paper and then use olive oil. I don't need too much. Just enough to brush across the surface. Just got to spread it evenly around. Now for some seasoning. Salt and pepper should do. Perfect! Now it's ready for the next step. Into the oven it goes. Look at that! It's starting to crisp up! It smells so good! And it's toasty warm! Look at this masterpiece! He's gonna be so shocked! Hey! Tell me what I missed in the movie! Whoa! Where did you get that giant bag of chips? Man, now my bag looks like the tiny one. Not fair. But I want a giant bag of giant chips! Time to snack on some candy!
Oh, now that will just not do. Come on now. No candy before dinner. You know the rules. I'll just take these. If you need a snack, you can have these pomegranates.
Seriously? Not even an apple or an orange? This has to be a joke, right? I mean, how are we supposed to eat them? Don't look at me. I have no idea. Well, good thing I carry around this hammer! Nah. What I really need is a saw. Ugh, what am I thinking? This is a job for power tools! Hey! What the heck are you doing? She's just getting all the juice and none of the seeds! How did you do that? Give it here and I'll show you. You're gonna put it on its side and then split it in half. There's all the fruit inside, wrapped around the little seeds. You're gonna have to get all those little fruity seeds out. Then it's the easy part. Get a giant syringe and start filling it. Put in as many as can fit. Now it's time for the plunger. There you go. It's ready for you to squeeze in your mouth. It's so good! I don't have to worry about any of the seeds! You're a genius! Which of these food hacks did you like the most? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one!